वज़ीर-ए-आज़म के मावन खुसूसी बराए ब्लॉकचेन और क्रिप्टो बिलाल बिन साक़िब ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान अब सिर्फ एक मुल्क नहीं बल्कि एक डिजिटल तहरीक है जिसकी क़यादत नौजवान कर रहे हैं। बिलाल बिन साक़िब ने लॉस वेगास के स्टेज से दुनिया को पैगाम दिया है कि पाकिस्तान तैयार है और आगे बढ़ने को बेताब है।
Take this as an opportunity to honor every single one of you, because when others were fudding, you were holding. When others were laughing, you were building. You have essentially helped save this movement, and now the world is catching on. We are entering into a new era, an era where the power is going from the very few towards the masses. An era where from closed operations now we are looking at open rails. An era where we were too nervous to ask for permission, but now we can talk about possibilities. I want to take this as an opportunity to also congratulate the United States of America for always being at the forefront of innovation and for embracing bold ideas.